to the peaceful garden located on Wat Pattanagai. To put ourselves into the frame of mind, I would like all of you to blend yourself when you blend your mind with the pure nature surrounding us with the nature, and in order to lead you to have the quality of the mind suitable to attain the inner peace at ease. So first of all, I would like all of you to find the most comfortable posture for your meditation, and make sure that there's no ache or pain that might interrupt your attention. Now, you can close your eyes softly and gently, and do not force your eyes shut. Close your eye like you are going to sleep. And each time you breathe in, you just fill every single cell with happiness. And each time you breathe out, you just set aside your worries, your care. Any object, animals, family, or assignment, make sure that every minute and every second are full of relaxation. Relaxation is a key to the mind centering, so that the stream of relaxation flow over the entire body, from the head to heel, from the top to toes. If you could notice the breathing, once we breathe in, there will be a turning point of the breath. The turning point lies in the center of the abdomen. It is also called the center of gravity. The meditation term is the turning point of the breath is the station of the mind. The station of the mind lies in the center of the abdomen, right inside the stomach. It's also referred to the term of middle way, the path to the true happiness. Let's stay inside the center for a while. Now, let's make a little mark at the center point by visualizing a tiny sparkling star to appear peacefully at the center point in the center of the body. The turning point is shining with the brightness of the shining star. It could be sparkling, shining, glittering, whatever, but that is the landmark of the turning point. The mind is blending with the shining star. The star blend with the mind, and the mind blends with the star. The mind is shining right at the bright spot, at the turning point. So keep reminding you to blend, to stay at the shining bright spot at the center of the body. Now we are more and more relaxed with the image of shining star as an indicator at the center. Stay with the shining star for a little while. By staying in the center, the mind is learning to be peaceful and absorb the happiness from being in the center. The shining star in the center creates peace of mind. Peace and happiness arise from inside. So peace of the world is not from outside, but from inside out. We are the first person to try the test of the inner peace at easy turning points. The center is bright, peaceful, and happy. Now let's make a wish that the world one day will get to know the secret of peace and happiness generated from the center of the body. Let's share this inner peace and happiness to all other creatures. Let the others to attain the same peace and happiness from inside. Spread the feeling of peace, the light of peace to all mankind and all living beings. Let them attain the same level of peace and happiness inside, derived from the shining star in the center. Radiates the boundless love to the entire world.